मतलब हर जगह clickbait stuff, you know, it's a bait.
Have this whole room set up for everything.
Yeah, it's so foggy here. So very good morning everyone from the new apartment. So कल रात को I forgot my bed sheet. I had only one blanket and she slept on the floor. Anyways, so I think I need to do some shopping and let's make the arrangement same as my previous home. So let's move this table right there. Taki it's similar. And can we have one nightstand there?
What? You're asking for permission for a one night stand?
No, a nightstand there.
Oh.
A nightstand.
Oh, okay. Subscribers, I was so tired I fell asleep on the floor wearing these clothes. I haven't changed my clothes since yesterday.
Oh no.
Yeah.
With me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me.
It looks so messy yet.
What happened to all the silverware?
Silver, it's here. Sorry, it got moved somehow.
So, the ghost moved it?
Yeah, so I think smaller drawers are better for silverware, and we can put maybe spatula, etc. in that. You need to wash all of it. We don't even have dishwasher soap. नहीं तो अगर ये वाला use कर लिया, if we use this one, there'll be a blast.
You learned that lesson before, right?
Yes. बहुत messy है. But it's a beautiful view. The morning view is so pretty. I wish balcony was there. You can open it, but ये window भी खुलती है तो यहाँ पे जाली लगी हुई है so that you cannot cross it. I wish balcony was there. But all the apartments in this building with balcony are $3,200 per apartment, and those are only 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. This is 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. So balcony is very expensive in a high-rise apartment. Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me. That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet.
So just got ready. मैंने अभी तक नहाया नहीं हूँ because हमारे बाथरूम में अब तक shower curtains नहीं है. I need to buy that. So we're going to Walmart. बहुत rush में हूँ because I just have 1 hour of office break remaining. So जल्दी से ये clean करना है. कल housewarming party भी है. So let's go quickly. I'm just very much. I'm just in a rush right now.
Deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation.
Walmart is actually best for house shopping. हर चीज़ बहुत सस्ती है. मतलब ये ट्रैश सिर्फ $3 का पड़ा. ये डोर मैट सेट मतलब बाथरूम का मैट और कर्टन्स दिस केम आउट टू बी ओनली फॉर अराउंड $10. और पर मैंने अपने लिए ये वाला लिया है क्योंकि इसमें आपको ब्रश हैंग करने के लिए मतलब ब्रश रखने के लिए भी जगह मिल जाती है, सोप के लिए भी. एंड दिस इज 17 सेट एंड दिस वाज ओनली $20. आई एम सो इम्प्रेस्ड. और अगर आप टारगेट में चले जाओ, टारगेट में सिर्फ मैंने चेक किया था कि वहाँ पे लिटरली सिर्फ शावर कर्टन्स $20 के मिलेंगे. सो एवरीथिंग इज मच अफोर्डेबल हियर. किचन निट्स भी हो गए एंड डिटर्जेंट भी हो गया. आई थिंक ऑल डन. ओके लेट्स गो. So total is $149 and these are the stuff for all 3 of us, Apoor, Arvit and me. So $50 each padega almost. So not that bad.
No.
Ain't never met a limitation. Hate apply.
Desi jugaad, nice. Oh, it's raining now. No, it's about to rain.
For the information, I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line.
हो गया. तो बाकी अनबॉक्स तुम कर दो यार. बाकी मैं मीटिंग अटेंड करता हूँ. जान खत्म हो गई, बैक पेन होने लग गई है. दो पूरे हफ्ते का जिम एक दिन में हो गया.
5 hours later.
बारिश शुरू हो गई है. व्यू कितना प्यारा है यार. ये देखो खुली खिड़की. हाँ, यहाँ पे काम करने का मज़ा ही कुछ और है. So finally बारिश रुक चुकी है and finally we can go out for shopping. IKEA शॉपिंग बाकी है एंड थोड़ी और ग्रोसरीज बाकी है जो करनी है. काफ़ी सामान आ चुका है जो मैंने अभी तक अनबॉक्स नहीं किया क्योंकि 2 से 5 PM तक मेरी इतनी ज़्यादा मीटिंग्स थी. अभी 5:20 PM हो चुकी हैं. सो फाइनली वी कैन अनबॉक्स, क्लीन द मेस एंड मेस क्लीन करने के बाद वी कैन गो टू IKEA फॉर शॉपिंग.
Oh.
Yeah.
I get 30% off 2 orders from Uber Eats until Sunday, so we should take advantage of that.
$30 off?
30% off
But it should
2
be up to
orders.
something.
So earlier my plan was to have one nightstand here, so we could have put one nightstand, but मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि drawers are just like nightstands, so we can have this here, and यहाँ पे I need a lamp, so lamp will be good here, right?
Yeah, I'm
But-
just glad you're not having one night stand. That's
No,
all.
I'm having one, so this is one nightstand.
Well, as long as it's not 2 nightstands, then I guess it's okay.
Yeah, and that is also like a nightstand here. So let's empty the suitcases. And
Do you have any hangers?
I think I packed some. Oh no, I didn't pack any hangers. So यहाँ पे curtains नहीं है, so we need to put curtains here. Mamaearth is already set up.
Oh, that was one of the first things I set up.
Yeah, thank you so much. By the way, हम सबको पता है that vitamin C is a wonderful ingredient for our skin. It smoothens and add a gradient glow to our skin. While keeping that in mind, Mamaearth has come up with 10% vitamin C essence serum, and क्योंकि ये serum है तो आपकी skin को oily नहीं बनाता बल्कि एक glow डाल देता है. And this serum has a lightweight texture, perfect for daily use. So obviously इसके अंदर vitamin C है which smoothens my skin and promotes new cell regeneration. And इसके अंदर है गोटू कोला ऑयल which acts as antioxidant जिससे skin की premature aging delay हो जाती है, and also niacinamide which smoothens my skin and creates an even skin tone. And इनका oil free vitamin C moisturizer भी काफी अच्छा है, मैं हर रोज यूज करता हूँ. And बाकी Mamaearth के बारे में सबको पता है that all products are toxin free, वो environment को बिल्कुल harm नहीं करते हैं, and also they link your order to the tree that they plant, and by 2025 the goal is to plant around 1 million trees. So अगर आप आज मेरा कूपन कोड यूज करोगे 1002021 then आपको 20% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा, and अगर आप उनकी ऐप यूज करोगे तो आपको एक्स्ट्रा डिस्काउंट भी मिल सकता है. So definitely check it out.
Forever Young, her newest thing. Should I puff out my stomach and look pregnant? If somebody asks.
Really, it's written that.
Yeah. So it's family friendly. That means it's for women with babies.
friendly.
But we are family, right?
I have friends. I got family.
Or you're trying to be like Dom Toretto and be like, family's everything. Family.
That is
Well,
true.
let's hope we don't get caught.
Okay, so finally first time in IKEA in the last 5 years, Bari furniture lene ki.
I mean, family friendly is like
Okay.
everyone, right?
Yeah, family friendly is everyone. We are family friendly. So in US, it always makes
Do I look pregnant now?
like we could
Make a kid right now. This is not a family friendly channel, I can tell you that. Right?
That's US flag, Georgia flag, and Sweden flag. Because IKEA is a Sweden company.
Take one card from there if you want that.
Yeah.
What do you call the horizontal one?
Yeah. Do you have nightstand?
Nightstands.
Yeah, I need one nightstand.
I mean, I don't.
You can have a one. See, restaurant.
So that's your favorite?
No, I mean it's famous. Balls.
Oh, you were just thinking about food. This elevator is so huge. Yeah, the restaurant is closed though. So last time you went to IKEA 10 years ago?
At least, probably more.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
I forgot how fun it was.
Oh.
Also, their design is that you need to visit everything
Yeah.
before going to the final.
Yeah.
Oh, they're smart.
Like you can't go down there and go to the just to the loading, what do you call, where you can pick the stuff up. So you have to go through.
That's why there are all these jokes about people getting lost in IKEA.
Really?
Yeah.
मतलब हर जगह clickbait stuff, you know, it's a bait.
Have this whole room set up for everything, like living room, kitchen, dining room, office, everything.
We need like 3
So we
at
need
least.
like bar
Yeah.
stools proper.
like 3, 4.
Wait,
Yeah.
are you going to get like an actual dining table or no?
No.
Just
I mean
everyone
the
will sit
space
at
is
the
so
stool.
big, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
We
we can
will
get
on that.
we can easily get
Okay.
4, 5. We can
Yeah.
get a set of 5 chairs for the kitchen dining. किचन तो हमारी लिस्ट में है किचन डाइनिंग का सामान. मुझे 1 नाइट स्टैंड चाहिए फॉर माई बेड. नंबर 2 एंड मुझे टीवी के लिए नीचे ड्रॉर सेट चाहिए ताकि टीवी के नीचे सामान भी आ जाए और टीवी के लिए स्टैंड भी बन जाए.
You're willing to splurge a bit, right?
Splurge, what's that?
That means spend a little extra money for something good.
Yes. I need something like this, but this is too low. This बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा है. और नीचे है.
here's
Bookshelves,
one
yeah, those are
tall
bookshelves.
one.
These are really tall. This is perfect for my TV. नीचे थोड़ा decoration के लिए सामान भी आ जाएगा. And looks great. एंड ये सिर्फ $70 का है. सो अगर मैं पुराने घर से मूवर्स हायर करके पुराना ड्रेसर ले आता दैन इट वुड हैव कॉस्टेड अराउंड $100 मिनिमम, क्योंकि उनकी फ़ी होती है $50 to $70 पर आवर और 2 घंटे लग जाते हैं मूव करने में. ट्रक की अलग फ़ी होती. सो दिस विल बी चीपर टू असेंबल ऑन योर ओन. नया ख़रीदना सस्ता पड़ रहा है एज़ कम्पेयर टू पुराना मूव कराना. दिस इज़ द वन वी नीड. आवर किचन इज़ दिस हाइट राइट. दिस विल परफेक्ट. अगर ऐसा सेट मिल जाए 6 चेयर्स का दैट विल बी इनफ राइट.
मेज बहुत बड़ा है.
या मेज़ बहुत बड़ा है. यार इतनी जगह नहीं है. आइकिया ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा. इतना बड़ा है. इट्स लाइक एंडलेस राइट.
Yeah. That's why I told you all the jokes about getting lost.
Yeah, it's like U shape and you keep walking.
So,
Yeah, I'm down with grey ones. They look great. These can fit in, right?
yeah, definitely.
That's good. Should we? $9. I think. This is chair heaven. I hope we find the chair we need. Yeah, that chair is perfect.
Which?
This one. This is how much? $18. So 4 pieces will be
Yeah, I think this is good.
$80. This is very expensive. Just
Oh, this is not sturdy. Yeah.
yeah, bedroom section finally. This whole just bed frame is $240.
Yeah, I
Who
remember
buys
this.
$50 pillow?
Well,
yeah.
they have special pillows depending on how you sleep. So they have
Sorry.
side sleeper pillows, back sleeper pillows, stomach sleeper pillows, and if you do multiple, if you're a switch, then I don't know.
Oh no.
Do you know what it means to be a switch?
No, I don't know. But I luckily have like a thin pillow. कि neck के लिए thin pillow ज़्यादा better होता है. मेरे पास है. Oh yes, kids area. Oh, $1 only.
Those are for babies. Look, the shirts, they're way too small for your shirts.
Yeah, they were for babies. Just realized.
I mean,
Yeah.
you are still a kid, but
और मेरी सर में पढ़ने का टाइम आ गया.
Oh, kids TV. 1.29 and a set. हाँ काम आ सकता है यार. ले लेते हैं. So 4 bowls ले लेते हैं. Each bowl is 80 cents.
but not. But where are the big ones?
Everything 79
are they
cents.
down here.
Yeah, I got these as well for $5.
Are you gonna get a white or a black one?
This is a life decision.
It's a life or death decision.
I think white matches.
Oh,
You got the black one. How much are these? 99 cents.
Take these mats outside.
Yeah, let's get one. Yeah. How much is this? $10. Yeah, I think black will go better. Let's get brown or blue. That's better. Let's get that one.
This.
So for real, I am lost right now. तो मैं मैट लेने के लिए आया था. पता नहीं कहाँ रह गए. मैंने एक टर्न गलत ले लिया and I'm lost.
lost in the IKEA. The only person I've ever heard of to actually get lost in IKEA.
You've never seen anyone get lost?
No, it's like a joke. It's a joke. Because the signs, like it's a path, you know, right?
Yeah, I didn't follow the arrows
Yeah.
and I just skipped the way and I got lost.
They try to make it easy. You can't cheat. That's the thing. You can't cheat at IKEA. IKEA
Yeah.
always fights back. You know, you can't try to break the system. IKEA fights back.
So this is the real side of IKEA. So जो ऊपर जाके हमने numbers देखे थे, we have to use those numbers to find the product और यहाँ से pick करना पड़ेगा. I thought someone will give it to us.
Oh, that's why it's cheap.
Yes.
You pick it out yourself. You assemble it yourself.
Yeah, that's
Not this, right? Or
no.
Make
So
a note
यहाँ पे
to
number
your
लिखा हुआ
phone.
है. So aisle 1, bin 25. Okay, so right there.
Yeah.
Which is there's no.
ये रहा यही तो है देखो ब्लैक ब्राउन $70 वाला ये आउट ऑफ स्टॉक तो नहीं है यहाँ पे आई कैन नॉट टेक दिस वन असेंबल्ड नहीं
Is this it?
this is
Oh wait, white?
blue black
Yeah, that's white.
everything we want is out of stock सारा फर्नीचर नाइट स्टैंड भी एंड डाइनिंग टेबल भी दोनों आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है क्या बात है IKEA में भी सेल्फ चेकआउट है थैंक यू यार you want to go white in the end I thought it should be black
Yeah, because of dirt, right? White makes it look dirty.
let's go $100 में इतना कुछ क्या बात है